Service that you can count on. If you've ever served in the U.S. military, even briefly, you can be eligible to join USAA.
I heard about it from an Army buddy of mine, so I switched to USAA for a better experience.
Being retired, I'm on a fixed income, so I have to watch where my money goes. With USAA, I'm getting the best price, so I have money to do the fun things.
Members who switched saved an average of more than $700 on auto insurance.
I added homeowner's insurance, and I ended up saving even more.
I constantly look for deals on pretty much everything. I want the greatest value for my dollar.
Not only am I saving money, I'm getting more for my money.
USAA representatives are on hand day or night to provide guidance and support. I felt like I was not just a number. USAA representatives are always there to help.
They definitely go above and beyond.
If you have an accident, you're going to get reimbursed so quickly. I had a flat tire when I was in a fender bender. USAA was there.
Call us or go online now to get a quote. And ask for this exclusive tumbler.
I use the word family with USAA because that's how it feels.
I was able to pass down USAA membership to my sons. They've got my family wrapped up tight. We sleep comfortable at night. Don't wait to find out how much you can save on auto insurance.
I tell people, wait a minute, listen. USAA is open up lines in all branches. Join.
You need to go with USAA. They're going to be there for you every step of the way.
Even if you served a long time ago, you need to check it out. Call 1-844-259-3121 or go online for a free auto quote. And for a limited time, ask for this exclusive tumbler free with your quote. Call now.
Where is this girl?
Well, how'd you make out on the test?
Got scared last night in the class, and I didn't get into any trouble today. I minded my own business.
Good boy. Here's some hot candy for you.
Thanks, Paul. Anything happening in town?
What?
Everything go all right? Tell me.
See, Mark, sometimes it's easier to give advice than to take it.
That's what I was telling Skinny when he tried to stop me from taking a poke at Jeff.
Yeah, that's just what I said.